Hey, you, welcome back. Well, this is it, right? This is the biggest update yet for the Galaxy Watch 4, the one I have right here. Well, almost. You may have seen other publications and or channels already reporting on this, and some of them just do copy and paste, not realizing that what it is they are reporting on is actually not the real deal. So I am glad that you are here, because I'm going to show you right now what is real and what it is you can expect and what it is you can not expect with this massive update. Fixing notifications number one, and I briefly touched this on my previous video. This update brings another improvement. Go to notifications, advanced notification settings. You can now toggle on and off show with details. This is important. You do not have this option unless you receive this update, which brings me to the order of the update. Number one, who people will get this update is for the Bluetooth only version, the one I have right here. Number two is for the LTE, so it's regardless whether that is classic or regular version, but Bluetooth first, then LTE, and that simply has to do with the telecom provider and how fast they are with rolling out this massive update. Next one up is fall detection. Despite many publications saying and reporting that fall detection has been added to the Galaxy Watch 4. Yes, they say it has been added. No, it has always been here with the Galaxy Watch 4. It hasn't been added. Only improvements have been added. I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Sensitivity can now be toggled on and off. So what does it mean? It means it is simply more intuitive when you turn this option on. And this could be a great addition to many people who may be just slipping and then need a fall detection rather than having a full-blown fall. So this is number one added for the fall detection, but it doesn't stop here. I believe that Samsung has worded this really kind of confusing. I'm going to quote what it said in their press release here. Now on the Galaxy Watch 4 you can opt to toggle the sensitivity so that it is capable of detecting a fall even when you are standing still. This sentence in itself is really kind of, well, contradicting, because you either stand still or you either fall. I believe what they are trying to say is that because normally the fall detection on a Galaxy Watch 4 only works when you are active, when you're jogging or you're doing stuff and then you fall down. So now you basically can stand in the kitchen or stand still, look out a window, and then you suddenly fall, and it will detect that. And that is the sensitivity you can basically now have added or really basically toggle on and off. Next one up, go to watch settings, advanced features, scroll down to gestures, and you have a new gesture control that just has been added. Yep, it is knock knock. It is real, and you have two options here. Number one is you can choose any application to open when performing a knock knock with your watch, or a pre-selected feature which Samsung calls a workout type list. Honestly, I have used it a few times. I did the Google Assistant, I did something else. I just did the knock knock and I didn't feel like it is for me, but let me know if you are using it at all. Last but not least is new watch faces, and Samsung says you have 4 new watch faces in this massive update here for the Galaxy Watch 4. And I watched somebody else's update for this. Well, I watched somebody else's video for this update because that is an interesting one. The person really tried to attempt kind of selling you that the update has the new watch faces. In this particular video, I couldn't see any new watch faces. So I checked it for myself, and lo and behold, I have to say this update, despite Samsung's press release, does not include new watch faces. So here's what I've done. I've compared all the watch faces I have with the LTE version versus the Bluetooth versions. The LTE version doesn't have the update yet. And I've compared all the watch faces I have in there, really gone in details, like all the compilations for the animals and what have you. But it's pretty much the same. There is no difference. So that kind of lets me to believe there is no watch face included in this update. Maybe it is an error, but Samsung, if you are watching this, please let me know if this is a user error, but I couldn't see anything. I don't believe it's regional based because it's a watch face. I was really looking forward to the info break. That was my personal one. Let me know if you get the watch faces. I'm leaning towards that it will come later, and this is just an error basically that happened with the update. So Samsung, please fix this or let me know if it's me. Hey, it was really good seeing you again. Let me know if you have any questions with regards to this update. All the details are coming up now. Thank you for watching as always. Peace.